Yo, what's up, YouTube? Just thought I'd kind of document this process of this bike I started building. Um, Thought maybe some people might think it's cool, maybe not. I don't know. Well, just started it up the other day. I've had this frame for a while. I'm not sure if I don't even know what kind of frame this is. I bought it off some guy off OfferUp a while back and stripped it down and haven't found any brand names on. If anyone in the comments can maybe tell me what kind of frame they think this is. There is a couple stamps on it. I'm not sure what kind it was. There was a Hawthorne badge on it, but it wasn't. Someone stuck the badge on there. I pulled it off. So what we got going on here is just a bunch of pieces I've had laying around. You know, I got a little story behind every little part on here. The sprocket is from Schwinn, a DX9, I believe. DX9, let me see, I got it right here. Oh, XR8, I'm sorry. I got an XR8, had an XR8 exercise bike, and took the sprocket from that. I'd been wanting to do a project with the sprocket, a big old sprocket like this for a while. I know it's going to be hard to pedal, but it looks cool. Not sure what seat I'm going to go with yet. I bought this front rim off of a homeless guy the other day for $5. Got a little story behind that. My neighbor had a junk pile. They were throwing this back rim away. I threw the tire on it. Still got to put a tube in it. Behind some dumpster, they were throwing away this kid's bike. I pulled these handlebars off of it. I feel like it's looking pretty cool so far. I'm having to fabricate these forks in the front. It's a 24-inch rim, but I couldn't find any forks. I got these forks from a 18-inch, 20-inch, I can't remember, some kid's bike. I still got to weld them up. I had to cut them and lengthen them an inch. This is all just sitting in there right now. Nothing's welded up. I had to hammer out the stem in there because it wasn't long enough to reach through the length of that head tube on this bike. So I had to hammer a new one in. That was a bitch to do. I still got to weld that all up. But yeah, this is it so far. It has kind of like a, I don't know, rat rod racer, cyberpunk. I have no clue. But yeah, this is one of my bikes I built on my channel. I got another motorcycle I built. I also have a few other bikes I've built, and motorcycles and bicycles. And I plan on posting some more stuff up soon. So if you want, give me a follow, and you'll see some of the other projects I've made. Maybe I could just take you right now into the back and show you some other stuff I got going. Well, here's a tall bike I ride around sometimes. Everything's kind of crazy in my backyard. I'm not going to show nothing yet. Well, that's it for now. Anyways, this is kind of just an impromptu video. I didn't really have nothing planned out for it except just to show this bike and kind of document the process. Oh, I want to go with the raw finish. That's one thing. I want to do like a all metal. Still trying to figure out what to put on put on it to keep it from rusting out. Maybe if you guys know some stuff to keep the metal kind of that patina look, just to prevent it from getting too rusty, let me know. Okay, thanks. Bye.